Stop scrolling! Your next coding interview question might be, return a number of insertions or deletions required to balance a string of open and closed parentheses. The definition of a balance parentheses in this case is for any given left parens, there is a right parens that can close it. Here are some examples of balanced parens that I'm thinking of. What is the expected runtime of the algorithm? Linear. Got it. And are there any additional constraints to the input? The string can be at most 1000 characters and the string only composes of left and right parentheses. Does the ordering of when a closing parens matter to determine if a string is balanced? So for example, given a string where a closed parens precedes an open, this string should not be balanced. Ordering of closed parens matters. And in the same example, the algorithm should return 2 as it takes 2 deletions to make the string empty. I'm assuming that the expected value when a string is empty would be 0. I believe I have all the information I need to think of an algorithm. Given a string of parens, it'll be important for me to track whether or not the character is a left parens or a right parens. What I'm thinking of is introducing 2 variables. One for an unresolved open parens, which tracks the amount of open paren characters unresolved, and a closed parens, which tracks the amount of closed parens unresolved. For example, if I had a string like so, I would iterate through the string, and when I encounter an open parens, I will increment the unresolved open parens counter. And once I encounter a closed parens, I'll subtract from the unresolved open parens until it is 0. Then increment the unresolved closed parens counter. My algorithm will return the sum of both values. I will only subtract from unresolved open only if an unresolved close precedes it. Let me validate my solution. It works. In summary, I'll introduce 2 counters to track how many unresolved open and closed parens there are. I'll subtract from unresolved open only when I encounter unresolved closed after, since ordering does matter. And then I'll return the sum of both values. Here's my code.